In this video, we're going to show you exactly how to use the cannula tubing with your IonBottles Pro model, and why it just might become your new favorite way to experience the powerful benefits of hydrogen therapy, like more energy, increased focus, and better recovery from your workouts. The IonBottles Pro produces clean, therapeutic-grade molecular hydrogen gas. When you use the nasal cannula, you're directly inhaling that hydrogen, helping your body absorb it quickly and efficiently. So here's how to use it. First, remove the cap from your ion bottles and remove the rubber insert from the middle. Make sure you keep this someplace safe. You don't want to lose it. And on the top of the cap, loosen and twist aside this top rubber piece here. And taking a look at your cannula tube, you've got the side that loops around your head with the nasal inserts, and then the other end is what we attach to the top of the lid. Press firmly till you hear it click into place. You want your ion bottle to be filled about 3/4 of the way. Replace the lid with the tube attached, and now let's get the tubing into place. So drag this plastic component here. Make that opening a little bit larger, get it around your head, insert, and then reaching behind using that same plastic piece, slide it so that the tubing rests comfortably. I find it's helpful, keeps it in place better if I loop it around my ears. And now you're ready to get started. So from here, you can choose the 3 or 5 minute setting on your Pro model and continue to breathe normally throughout the cycle. You can use the cannula during work, meditation, or even while you're watching TV or reading a book. Inhaling hydrogen gas this way may help support increased energy, mental clarity and focus, reduced inflammation, muscle recovery, and reduced soreness, plus overall cellular health and anti-aging. People often report feeling more clear-headed, energized, and refreshed after regular sessions, especially when you combine this with a healthy lifestyle. And that's it. The cannula gives you a direct and efficient way to experience the benefits of molecular hydrogen. Make sure you remember to replace both seals on the inside and the top of your lid. We recommend using warm, soapy water to clean your cannula tube after every use. And now that you're done with the inhalation, you're welcome to enjoy your hydrogen-infused water. For more hydrogen water FAQ and how-to, make sure you're subscribed to our channel and follow us on our social channels. We also have additional resources and links to study about the science behind how hydrogen water works on our website, IonBottles.com.